Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you the cards I made for anyone ordering the stamp of the month from me for October of 2023. And it's stamp of the month is from Owl of Us, from Close to My Heart. And it is one of the most adorable stamp sets they've ever had. And it also has thin cuts with it, which is the best ever. So if you have a die cut machine, you can get it with thin cuts. If you don't have to order it with thin cuts. You can get it for free if you're a VIP of mine or through your consultant, or you can order just the stamp set for $19.95, or with a $50 order, you can get it for $5. So there's many ways to get it, but it's just so adorable. And then if you don't have a die cutting machine, you can order it without the thin cuts and just fussy cut them out. Whatever. In a long spiel, trying to say. Okay, so you can see mine is well used. And this is card number 1. So in the kits that I send to everybody, for a $50 order, when you first get this, you will get a layout. Okay, and that video, you can go back and look at that. If you order is $75 or more, you will get 2 layouts. So you'll get a 1-page and 2-page to go together. If your order is $100 or more, you get the 2 layouts and a 4-card kit. So this is card number 1. You get 2 of this card and then 2 of the next card you'll see. And this is a Z fold, and it's just so cute. Look at it. So the branch, I just extended it on, so it looks like it's all one branch, which is cute. You know, you could put the tree in there, but I didn't do that. I just like it like this. So what I did was I have a piece here, and what's in the kit will be white, because this is my prototype. So you get a white piece, and then this green with the zip strip. You attach those on. After you fold your front, it's just fold it in half here. So it's 2 1/8. You'll put a score line and fold it in half. Attach this white piece. Attach the green piece on top of the white piece. Put your owl on. And then on this piece is the same thing. You put the red piece down, attach this piece on top, and put your owl down. You're done. It's so cute, though. Look at that. It looks like they're looking at each other. I added some white to their irises or to their eyes to make them look, you know, more realistic. I love looking like that. And I just colored them in very simply with tri-bone markers. Let me show you real quick what it looks like in the kit itself. So you'll get the envelopes, the card bases, and all the pieces you'll need. So you'll fold this part in half, and you can score it or you can do it manually. And doing it manually is easy because it's just fold it in half. Okay. And then you're going to take your white piece. And I give you 2 white pieces. One is to stamp on and cut out your owls. And I edged mine with black ink to make it stand out more. You can see it's very defined. I just ran it along my ink pad to make it black. And then you'll get 2 of these. One is for the front and one is for the back. So you put this, I glue this right on here. And there's your front. Okay. So it will fold out. This goes on the inside. And this piece goes here. And then you stamp out your branches and your owls and attach them down. It's so easy, but I love the look of it. I hope you do too. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope that inspires you, at least give you some idea of make some cards if you don't get this kit, to use these owls for that. For card number 2, I decided to use this kind of a layout, but the other wreath, which is used on these cards, and the owl with the joy on the leaves. So this part's going to be put here instead. Putting this wreath in everybody's kit was, and I would have to stamp it, would have been a little more work than I wanted to do. But I like this layout better anyway, so that's what I decided to do. So in the card, you will find your base, the piece that goes in the middle, and you can use either side. I like the red plaid, so I'm going to use that for this one. And some glitter paper. You might have different colors. and your wreath, and you can use either side. This one has two. You can use either side. You know, depends on what you want to do. I like the brown myself. So you might have two wreaths too, depending on how it cut out with the, I think that's only one layer. So it'll go like that. I did put this in here for a sentiment in case you wanted to do that, but with this and the owl in the middle that spells joy, you won't really have to. So you'd color your owl and put it in there. Let's see if I have a little guy here to show you. Here he is. And you'll note I colored his eye. I drew in his eye on this one. Normally they come with him winking, which is this one here. I just drew in the eye with a pen. All right, so that is your card number 2. Of course, you colored all in, and then you can pop it up with some foam adhesive or whatever. Isn't that cute? I love this card. Okay. Have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe and share and like and all that good stuff. Leave me a comment if you would like. I love hearing from everyone. Have a wonderful day.